Welcome, brand new consultant, to our fabulous TNT unit. That stands for Tenacious Trendsetters. I am so excited that you made the amazing decision to start your own business. Congratulations, you are an entrepreneur. This business is something that can offer you and your family blessings, blessings that you can't even comprehend right now for years to come. This business has changed my life, and I am here to help it completely change yours. My name is Rachel Kellogg, and I have been building my Mary Kay business for 5 years. For the past 4.5 years, I have been a sales director in Mary Kay. Before I was in Mary Kay, I was a corporate event planner and wedding planner. I never in a million years thought that Mary Kay would be what I would be doing. But what I have learned and what I have seen is life doesn't always go as planned. Sometimes life throws you curves, sometimes life gives you some sour lemons, but let me tell you, when life gave me some very sour lemons and led me to finding Mary Kay, it was the best God wink I could have ever imagined. What I didn't realize is that one door was shutting, but another one was opening. And this door was going to lead me to a life full of freedom, flexibility, financial stability, and choices. So when I look back now, I say, oh my gosh, thank you. Thank you, Lord, for giving me those sour lemons, because they drove me and showed me the way to Mary Kay. I love my Mary Kay business. It has brought my family so much happiness and blessings. When I had my baby son, Mason, a year ago, I was able to retire my husband, Dustin, bring him home from his 50-hour-a-week corporate job to be a stay-at-home dad. And I am a work-from-home mom. So our life involves family. It involves getting up in the morning, having our coffee, going for a walk, playing in the park. When I go to work, I go into my office and I shut the door. I am there to put my baby down for naps. I am there to sporadically hop out between appointments and phone calls and play and just enjoy life. Because when you spend your life working 40 hours a week for somebody else, what you don't realize is you're spending so much more of your life not living your life. Because you are tied and chained to building somebody else's dreams. You are working for somebody else. You are making somebody else money. And just because you may be the best employee does not mean that you are getting paid what you deserve. It does not mean that the better you do, the more hours you're going to have off and the more freedom you're going to have. What Mary Kay can offer you is a corporate style income, working part-time. It can offer you the opportunity to live your life. We only get to live this life once. So let's not spend it working for somebody else building their dreams. Let's spend it working for ourselves, building our dreams. Mary Kay is an amazing opportunity because it is a copycat business. This business has been created. The tools have been developed. There are thousands and thousands of women who have walked before you and walked straight into success. So what you need to do is follow in the footsteps, take the tools, choose to take action, to make a plan and work your plan. And when you do this, when you decide to be a student, to take the material, to learn the material, and to follow the lead that I am going to give you, Mary Kay will work for you. I can promise you that. The best thing that you can do right now is choose to be a student. Choose to be a student and take action. Starting a Mary Kay business is kind of like getting a gym membership. So you get a gym membership, and all the machines and the equipment and the classes, they're there for you. But that gym owner is not calling you every day saying, hey, you better get out of bed and get to the gym. If you just stare at your little gym card, you're not losing weight. You're not reaching your fitness goals. You have to choose to be self-disciplined, get up, get out, and walk through the doors of that gym and step on that Stairmaster, because that's the only way that it is going to work for you. So your Mary Kay business is your gym membership. All of the tools are there. You just have to choose to pick them up and use them. Now, I am like your personal trainer. I am there to guide you, to coach you, to run with you. I am literally assigned to your success. I want nothing more than to help you reach your goals. And if you guys use me, lean on me, reach up to me, together we can build you an amazing, successful business. So getting started in Mary Kay. I've made this decision. That's crazy. What do I do now? Well, here's the deal. It's really simple. It's all been mapped out for you. So this email, you're going to find a couple of really key things that you need to just jump on and get to know right now. So first of all, you guys, choose to get involved. Choose to look over the attachments and to follow the checklists, to download the apps, to friend request me on Facebook, to follow the steps. I am very techie. Well, okay, I'm not very techie, but I'm trying to be very techie. And our unit is set up in a very tech-friendly way. You're not going to get a ton of emails from me. You obviously got this one, but you're not going to get a ton of emails. We run our business through our Facebook page. So it is crucial for you to friend request me and get into our TNT unit Facebook page. There's a little files tab there. And in that files tab, you are going to find all of the resources that you need. Any promotion that we're doing, any promotion the company's doing is going to be there. This is a place where we can all stay connected because we have consultants from all over the country. So this is where you can ask questions. This is where you can seek advice. This is where you can post your wins. This is where you get to be involved. You are now part of our pink bubble. You are part of our sisterhood. We want to help you, lift you up, and celebrate you and celebrate your wins. So don't be shy. Get involved on our page. Start looking through those files, post videos, post pictures. This is our Mary Kay Pink Bubble. The second amazing resource and tool is available to you. One is the app Voxer. Oh my gosh, I don't know how I functioned before Voxer. Voxer is a walkie-talkie app and it's going to be your best form of communication with me. So download that app, Voxer, and start talking. Have you ever felt like when you're trying to text and it's like a 10-page long text and it's so confusing and you have to autocorrect and everything's messing up? Oh my God, Voxer eliminates all of that. Voxer, you push a button and you get to talk to me and you get to hear my voice and my excitement and I get to hear yours. So your best form of communication is going to be Voxer. So go ahead and download that app right away. At the bottom of this email, you are going to find some attachments. These attachments are our welcome packet, our get started checklist that is going to link you into all of the training you could possibly need. Now you are also going to get a hard copy of this so you can touch it and have it tangible and take it with you. But I'm going to just go over the highlights of what you're about to find in these attachments, or if you have it already, the welcome packet in front of you, get it out and look at it. The second app that you're going to want to download is a QR code reader. It is a free app. Download a QR code reader because in this welcome packet, you're going to find a lot of QR codes that are going to link you to trainings that are going to be pivotal and crucial to your business. And then the third and final app that you need to download right away is the I'm Possible Area app. The I'm Possible National Area is our senior national area. We are part of an amazing lineage in Mary Kay. I just want to take a moment to share with you where I come from, your family history in Mary Kay, so you know that you are in the right place at the right time. So we have our senior national sales director is Leah Carta. And Leah Carta is actually who shared the opportunity with me at a Panera almost 6 years ago. Leah is officially the youngest female millionaire in Mary Kay. She earned her first $1 million before she was 30 years old. This woman is paving the way for us. She is showing us that it doesn't take 10, 15 years to reach success. We can do it quickly. So Leah is our senior national. And then our national is Crystal Trojanowski. And she is actually my best friend. She recruited me as her third team member to get her into her red jacket. And she is one of the fastest nationals in Mary Kay history. She went from signing her beauty agreement to becoming a national sales director in 5 years. You guys, national sales director is the highest position that you can reach in Mary Kay. It is the creme de la creme, the top of the top. Leah did it in 6 years. So what does that show you? That shows you that these women, these are your personal mentors. You have me, you have Crystal, you have Leah, and we actually stem from Jan Harris, who is the #1 national in all of Pearl sales development. The women that have poured into Leah, Crystal, myself, and are going to pour into you are the best of the best. This is the right place at the right time for you. So Leah has taken the time to create an amazing app, an I'm Possible Area app that links you into training videos, to managing your leads, to upcoming promotions, to events the company's doing. This app has everything that you need at your fingertips on your phone. So please make sure you download that app. So the attachments at the bottom, one is a checklist. It's going to show you how to set up your website. It's going to tell you what you need to do to accept credit cards. It's going to give you the username and password to log on to that app. So make sure that you guys are literally checking things off and working your way down that. You're also going to find on the bottom your pearls of sharing. So here's the deal. We have two forms of income in Mary Kay. One is to share the opportunity, and one is to share the product. We make 50% on everything we sell. But our second avenue of income is sharing the opportunity. You will start earning commission on your very first team member. You start making 4% on them. And then once you get to 5, you start earning 9 to 13%. And you can go on target for your first free car. So if you want a team building goal, get to 5 as quickly as possible, because the difference between 4 and 13% is a big boost in commission. So don't wait, start running. So what are pearls of sharing? When you do your first 6 sharing appointments, you're going to earn a beautiful set of pearls to wear at your Mary Kay parties or out and about whenever you want to. So what's a sharing appointment? Sharing appointment, you may hear it also called coffee talk, interview, career talk. There's lots of different things. I just call it a share. So what we do is we take 6 to 10 of your closest friends or sharpest women that you know. Now, you guys, they don't have to be interested in Mary Kay. This is not me trying to go out and force your friends and family to sign up. These are your leadership calls. These are how you are going to empower yourself to team build. So what you do is you have them watch my marketing video, which is also linked at the bottom of this email. And then you and I hop on a 5 to 10 minute phone call with them, and I ask them questions. They ask me questions. I overcome objections. And through this process, you are going to learn how to talk to people, how to answer questions, and how to team build on your own. It is going to invest you in a deeper level in this business. The worst thing that can happen is, 5 days from now, you're out and about and you run into an acquaintance and she's like, oh, I heard you're doing that Mary Kay thing. I'd love to do that, but I'm just not a salesperson. And you don't know how to overcome that objection. How to overcome that objection is what you're going to learn when we do these first 6 training calls. And in the process, you're going to earn pearls. So don't wait. Don't wait. I'm sure you've already watched the inventory video and you're going to make a decision. Do you want to start your business with products or not? It's a choice. It's a choice that Mary Kay gives you. So no, it's not a make or a break it. Once you make that decision and we get that first order placed, it's going to be almost 10 days till your products get here. So right now in this time between order placed, orders hitting your front door, is your time to knock out those first 6 sharing appointments. So don't wait, ladies. Make your contact list. Your contact list is an attachment right at the bottom. Go ahead and fill it out. I want you to think like you're planning a wedding. Who would you invite? If they'd be invited to your wedding, they're going on that contact list. And then you look at that contact list and you pick 6 to 10 of the sharpest women on there. And you have them watch my marketing video. And if you're like, what do I say to have them watch that video? That script is in this email. I am going to give you the verbiage, the scripts, the tools, everything you need to add team members, to sell product, and to grow this as a business, you guys. I just can't reiterate enough that it is up to you to take them and use them. So I am so excited. I'm so excited to work with you, to chat with you on the phone, and to help you build this business. Please look over all of the attachments at the bottom. Get started on your checklist. Get those apps downloaded, and let's connect and make an appointment to talk about what you want from this business. Think big. Think big. Think, what do I want for my family in the next 2 years, in the next 5 years? There's no such thing as a dream too big in Mary Kay. I am here to support you and help you reach those goals. So congratulations again from the bottom of my heart for making the decision to step outside of your comfort zone and become an entrepreneur. The possibilities are limitless, and I am here to take this journey with you.